Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to send long videos on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So unfortunately, Reddit don't offer you an option to download videos that are longer than 15 minutes and videos that are bigger than 1 gigabyte of space. So to solve this problem, I afford you the easiest way as I can see. It's just simply you need to download videos on YouTube, and after that click on three dots here and find share option, click on copy link, and now you need to create a post, write a title and add a link to your long video. Click on next, choose any subreddit you want to leave your video, and after that just simply click on post and your long video will be posted. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.